everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon clothing video. I recently cleaned out my closet and decided I needed a few new t-shirts. So I have 5 shirts right here to share with you all. So I got a couple dressier ones and then a few t-shirts just for everyday wear. Okay, so the first t-shirt I got is this super cute mountain heartbeat one. It does say a beach heartbeat. There are 2 to choose from, a beach or the mountains. I think I'll have to get the beach one next. I did get the green color. I think it's super cute. It is a cotton blend, super soft. So I did get a medium in everything. They did have a couple other colors of each style to choose from. And then there's this one, they packaged in a super small bag. So this one is a little on the dressier side. Pretty floral pattern. They did have quite a few other colors to choose from. You've got your little elastic with the button for the back. A little bit of a cute little ruffled sleeve. So this one is 100% polyester. It's kind of got like a white background with orange and blue flowers, but they do have other colors. Pretty little pleats around the neck. So very cute. So I do have to say that these flowers on here are more of an orangey color, although in the picture they did look more pinky mauve. So that's a little bit different, but it is cute. We'll see what it looks like on and then we'll decide. Next shirt is another t-shirt. In the summertime, I'm just usually in jeans and a t-shirt or shorts and a t-shirt. This one is a baseball one. It says rub some dirt on it. I did get the dark gray color. Did have a couple other colors to choose from as I drop it. So that is what that looks like. Cotton blend. Again, very soft. Good summer shirt. So the next shirt I got is this another gray t-shirt. They do have a whole bunch of other colors though. Some of them are super cute. It's got the striped sleeves. Kind of reminds me of baseball jersey style. Got crew neck. Super soft. It is a polyester cotton spandex blend, so very stretchy. Okay, so I got one more shirt. This bag is taped closed. Okay, I had to get scissors to cut the bag open. Okay, so this one is the short sleeve color blocked shirt. This is what it looks like. It is white and red one. Got almost kind of like a boat neck style. The sleeves are already cuffed, and they are stitched on the top and bottom so that they will stay that way. This is a cotton spandex blend, stretchy. It seems a little thicker than like a regular t-shirt. They had a whole bunch of colors to choose from. So on camera that comes up it seems like it comes up a lot redder than it looked in the picture. In the picture it looked a little more like a burgundy color, but it is a red, like a kind of brighter red. The back is just gray. So lots of other colors to choose from. Cute, a little more dressier, but still casual. Okay, my thoughts on these t-shirts. All of the t-shirts are super soft. They are very comfortable. They are a good length, so they cover your bottom. If you want them longer, these are all super comfortable. Even this one, the color blocked one, is comfortable. Though it is a little bit heavier of a fabric. I'd say it's heavier, but not. It is, it's kind of like a silkier fabric, but it is comfortable. I do like all of these. This one I'm not too fond of. So it is see-through. I don't know if you could tell in the try-on, but it is a little bit see-through. And so I think I'm gonna probably send this one back, although it is cute. I'm not real fond of the orangish flowers on it. Like I said, I thought they were going to be more a pinky mauve colors. That's how it showed in the pictures. Though they do have lots of other colors to choose from. It is cute. I'm just kind of not really liking the colors. So I will probably send this one back. Okay, that is my Amazon t-shirt haul. All of these shirts are, well, at least when I bought them, under $20, except for this one with the striped sleeves. This one was $25. If you are interested in any of these t-shirts, I'll leave the links down below in the description. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. Consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.